Okay, let me see. We're gonna bond right here. Have one of them right there. Pick one up. This one has so much. Can I get a piece of paper too? Let's have a lot of glitter in here. I'm wipe my little silicone brush right here. Oh. Just use the tip of it and use the body of. You know what I am going to do? It's first gonna be flower, but something I want to show with you. Super easy. If you're first time tuning in with Glitz Accessory and such, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are just wonder how often we go live every single day except Sunday. So if you missed our live video before, don't forget to turn on the notification so you won't miss our live videos. I'm gonna do a little cute butterflies for all of you. Get a little bit of water in there. Press it down. I didn't put the base coat on this one. I'm gonna do in clear the matte top coat. Either way, you're gonna work with the matte or the base. Is worked either ways. But if you have a hard time, like you can't get it down, you can always get in the base on it to get it stick so much better. Hi Kira, how are you? And then so simple, you can just use the tips of the 3D doer brush. Get it down. And put her right there. Great. And I'm gonna dress her in a little bit. Yep. Get some water and blend that out. Okay, pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds. If you want to dress more here, you can. I'm gonna just dress the butterflies and then some of crystal here. It's just really simple with this one, for special for beginners. Super cute. I love that. Like, and let's go into using my condensed glue gels. And I am going to have, can I get that colors? Shiny Sky. Some of the colors. My twin tip brush. Just a little bit right there. I'm gonna do the design for this one first before I move to the next one. Just a little bit top coat on this. And then we'll start using our crystals. Can I get my tray of crystal, please? That tray right there. This one have a different sizes. I have it right here if you're seeing that. Hi everyone. Sorry if I can't read your comments fast enough. Just if you have questions, don't feel free to comment or DM us. We'll try to get back to you and get to everybody inquiries or have any questions. Don't hesitate to DM us, ask any questions. Sorry, I'm just like really I'm like so excited about this butterflies. You also can do one like a raindrop if you want to. That butterflies, and I am going to use my little beads, my gold beads. You might not seeing it because they hidden right here. Just I'm gonna put my beads. You can using a frame to do that in its antenna, but or you can do this. The beads look super cute. Super cute. I'm gonna pop in the lamp first, and then we'll go back and do more detail for that butterflies. I like to have one here, one here. All right, so pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Valentine's Day winner, we have a 20K follower giveaway. It's gonna be announced on Wednesday, the 19th. tomorrow, I think. Thank you so much, Manny K. Thanks so much, Nails by Ira. Yeah, it's just, thank you so much, Sinamax. Yes, is this warm on the fingers, this have the body heat, is so much better. Hey, thanks so much, Miss Corina. Hi, Ogla, how are you? Thanks so much. Great, so now I am going to using a quick for my glue gel. I'm gonna encapsulate some of my dramatic glitter. Can I get the brush? No. Give it to me. My condensed glue gels. And this, I'm gonna do one thin coat of condensed glue gels because I'm gonna put my dramatic glitter. All right, hold this. This one might be better. And I'm gonna using some of my right there. Pick it up on my sign. Hope everyone have a great Tuesday. Also, tomorrow is gonna be really excited to get to see who's the winning. I got to announce who's the winners of a giveaway. So excited. I think I just want to unless I can find tiny ones. I found a tiny one. Great. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Let me see if I can find I just want a little one. It's a little one that's so cute, but it doesn't make it look so busy. I like that. But you can dress her however you would like. You can dress her more fancier than what I'm doing. Great, so I'm gonna pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. We should do a